and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to plug in your electric drum kit. Now yours may be different from mine, but I have the Hitman HD-3M if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just going to show you how you can plug in, for instance, like the crash cymbal, the hi-hat, etc. So let's get on with the video. So as you can see, I have plugged in all of the cables with their responding objects. So this is, a hi-hat one, and it has HH on it. And I'm just going to, sorry, my room's a little messy. But I'm going to find here, there is a hi-hat plug-in, and I'm just going to plug it in the hi-hat placement. This is the crash cymbal. You're going to want to find the end of the cable, and you are going to plug it into the crash cymbal. And for the ride cymbal, it has the RD and it's blue, and you are going to plug it in the ride input. Next, I am going to put this one. It's like the hi-hat pedal. I am going to put that one in the HC input. And after that, I am going to put, this is the pedal, I'm going to put it in kick. Next, I am going to plug in the snare one in the snare input, and we have tom 1, tom 2, and tom 3. You can't see, it's over there. So tom 1 is T1, and I'm just going to plug it into tom 1. Where is it? Oh, over there. And then I'm going to plug in tom 2 over here, and tom 3 over here. And we have this last cable, and I'm just going to plug it to this one, DC in, and to turn it on, I'm just going to press that button. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the next video, I will be explaining more on how you can connect this to your laptop, but for now, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!